Hello everybody, Iggy here and welcome to this new online guitar lesson. Today's lesson is very practical. I wanted to create an exercise, an alternate picking workout with all the runs that normally are very used by most part of rock and metal guitar players. So I'm talking about all the classic rock and metal shredders like John Petrucci or Paul Gilbert or also Guthrie Govan or Al Di Meola, or all the guitar players that use the alternate picking a lot in their playing. So I decided to make this exercise that is not it's an exercise that is not that difficult in terms of concept, because it's all based on G major scale, 3 notes per strings, but at the same time I wanted to create something that is more tailored to help you to improve your accuracy and your relax, and also of course your speed while you are playing. So the very first important aspect is the economy of movements. I mentioned it in other lessons, and this means that you have to try to use your right hand as less as possible. This means that all the movements have to be concentrate on all the let's say kinetic energy that you really need to accomplish what you need to accomplish. This means that your wrist, right hand or left hand if you are a lefty, has to stay exactly on the neck of the guitar. So you have to use the wrist as a pivot point, and try to use only the wrist for the movement. This is vital important if you want to have an alternate picking that is absolutely killer. The second aspect is trying to do not make too much movement with the pick, especially when the pick goes too much up and down. This is not good at all. So you have to try to focus mostly on the right hand movement and also on the pick. You have to be focused on the point of the pick. Okay, so do not go too inside with the picking. Let's say that you have to try to focus mostly on touch the string with only the point of the pick. This is very important. And also you can try to make the pick to hold the pick a bit slant, like 20 degrees for example. This will help you a lot to minimize the movement and minimize the noise while you are touching the string, especially if you are having if you are using the distortion. And the third aspect, as I always say, is the relax. So guys, don't forget about breathing. Don't forget about relaxing all the other muscles that are not directly implied in the movements in the alternate picking. So your shoulders, your forearms should be absolutely relaxed all the time. As I always say to my students, while you are playing technique in general, you should think that what you're doing is more like a form of meditation. You have to be so relaxed and so focused that your brain starts to memorize the micro movements that are necessary to improve and also to have the fluency and the accuracy while you are playing. Okay, guys, I hope you liked this lesson. If you did, please give me a big thumb up, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel and to add me on Instagram and TikTok. I like to connect there and to talk with you also on these platforms. And thanks a lot for watching, and I will see you all next time.